Hi guys, today we are at Bird Kingdom Niagara Falls and we're going to look at some beautiful birds today, have so much fun, some exotic birds as well. I can't wait. Let's go. So we're going to get our ticket and we're going to stand in line right now. This bird museum, I came for feathers and drama, but I left with reading glasses and a mild identity crisis. Let's go inside the main aviary, guys. Let's go. Let's see what's inside here. This bird looked like a flaming hot Cheeto to me. This bird is basically a walking, talking Christmas tree with attitude. Looking at this bird, it looks like a rainbow had a party and this bird was the guest of honor. This bird was a walking carpet of feathery eyeballs. So sweet. The Victoria Crowned Pigeon. The feathers say I am a bird, but the crown says VIP. All sweet and cute until snack time. I saw the sort of same crow, or it could be a raven, in Australia, and it stole my hot dog. These ibises look like a flamingo, and a strawberry had a sweet little child. Such a big beak. Looks like this bird talks a lot. Loved the opportunity that I got with this macaw to take pictures that I will remember forever. I actually did frame the photo that I got, and but one downside to this was that the macaw, it was digging its feet into, or its claws into my skin, and I did feel them very, very painful, but I did have a lot of fun, and I'm very grateful that I got this opportunity. Small size, big heart, and zero drama. Looking at this bird, I thought if Grace had a name, it would be Piping Guan. I looked at this bird, I thought of a disco ball. sweet, adorable cockatoo, pure white fluff. Bright blue and built to impress.
Unfortunately, we're about to go, but I saw so many beautiful birds, small birds, big birds. I saw a macaw, I held a macaw, and an axolotl, which was